लो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि a particle of specific charge q by m equals to pi coulomb per kg is projected from the origin towards positive x-axis with a velocity of 10 meter per second in a uniform magnetic field that is b equals to minus 2 tesla k cap. The velocity v of the particle after time t equals to 1 by 12 second will be what, right? So इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा वो है फोर्स on a charged particle due to magnetic field. While we know that if a charged particle of charge q with velocity v is moving in a magnetic field v, so the force due to magnetic field, that is Fb, will be equals to q into v cross b. Right? Now, according to the question, a particle is projected from origin to positive x-axis. Right? So let's draw the coordinate axis like this. So this is our x direction, this is y, and this is z. According to the question, the particle is projected from x direction, from origin to the x direction. So our velocity vector is in the x direction, and we have a uniform magnetic field in minus 2 k cap Tesla. So it will be basically in negative z axis. So this is our magnetic field vector. And as you know that if B is equals to Q V cross B, so from thumb rule we can know that what is the direction of the magnetic force at that moment. So the magnetic force will be in y direction, as angle between the velocity vector and the magnetic field vector is 90 degree, right? So we can say that the particle will do a circular motion in xy plane like this, right? So the particle will do a circular motion in xy plane. Now we have to find the velocity of the particle after time t equals to 1 by 12 seconds, right? We know that r, so if the radius of the circular path is r, then r is equals to mv by qb, right? So the time period is equals to 2 pi r by v, which is equals to 2 pi m by qb. Now, in the question it is given that q by m equals to pi coulomb per kg, right? So m by q equals to 1 by pi. So 2 pi by pi into b, that is minus 2. So we will take the magnitude here. So this is 2. So from here you can get the time period is 1 second. Means at 1 second the particle will do a circular motion. Right? Now we have to find the velocity of the particle at time equals to 12 seconds. So at t equals to 12 second, theta, that is the angle covered, is equals to omega times t, where omega is the angular frequency, where omega equals to angular frequency, that is 2 pi by t, where t is the time period, right? So this is equals to 2 pi by t into 1 by 12, that is equals to 2 pi, so t is 1, so 2 pi by 12 equals to pi by 6 equals to 30 degree, right? So going to the next page, so basically this is the coordinate axis and the particle is doing a circular motion like this, right? Let's say this is the center of the circle, then at t equals to 12 second, the theta covered, that is the angle covered, is 30 degree. So let's say this is 30 degree. Means at t equals to 12 seconds, the particle is here and the velocity vector is like this at that moment. Now if we find the component of the velocity, that will be one is here and one is here. So the angle between them is, this is 30 degree, that is theta equals to 30 degree. So this will be V cos theta and this component will be V sin theta, right? So V equals to V cos theta I cap plus V sin theta j cap, right? Because this is y direction, this is x direction, and this is z direction. So we get V. So V is given in the question, that is 10 meter per second. So 10 into cos 30 degree I cap plus 10 sin 30 degree j cap, that is equals to 5 root 3 I cap plus 1 j cap, and that is meter per second, right? So our velocity after t equals to 1 by 12 second is 5 into root 3 I cap plus 1 j cap meter per second, right? So that our answer is D, that 5 root 3 plus I cap plus j cap, right? Hope you understand it. Best of luck.